Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we will learn GetPivotData function in Excel. This function is used to retrieve the specific information from our pivot table. Now the example sheet includes 4 columns: reason, year, product and sales. To create our pivot table, first select any cell in the dataset, select Insert, select Pivot Table option. It will open the dialog box. The data is already selected. Select existing worksheet option and select any cell in the Excel where you would like to create the pivot table. Click OK. Now drag reason, year and product in rows or column field and sales field in the values area. The pivot table is ready. Now in any cell, type get pivot data, and after opening parenthesis, the first parameter is data field, which is a mandatory field, and it is the name of the field you want to retrieve. Now in this example, we need sales value, so type sales in double quotes. Remember, the field name should be enclosed in quotes and should match with the table heading, comma. The second parameter is the pivot table, which is also mandatory, and this parameter is used to determine which pivot table contains the data. Now you can select any cell within the required pivot table. Our pivot table is starting from F3 and it is till K11. So you can select any cell reference. In this example, I am using F3, closing parenthesis and press enter. The value will show the total sales value. Now, to get the specific information related to a product, year or reason, we have to use the other parameters, which is the combination of field and item. So to get the total sales value of each region, type comma, and the field name is region and the item or the value would be east. Type both region and east in double quotes. Now press enter. The result is the sales value of east region. Now to get the value of each region of year 2024, we will add another field and item pair. So type comma, the field would be year and the item would be 2024. Press enter and the value is the sales value of each region in 2024. Now to get the value of laptop in each region for year 2024, we will add another item and field pair. So field would be product and value would be laptop. Press enter. The output is the sales value of each region of laptop in year 2024. Remember, the field names and item names other than dates and numbers should be enclosed in quotes. To retrieve the get pivot data formula, you can type equals to and select the cell in the pivot table that contains the required data. The cell will show the required formula. So according to this, it is showing the sales value of each region in year 2024 for product laptop. Similarly, if I select 21,000, then it will show the sales value of each region in year 2024. Now to turn this feature off, select any cell within the existing pivot table, select pivot table analyze, select options and uncheck the generate get pivot data option. Now type equals to and select any cell in the pivot table. It will show the cell reference instead of get pivot data formula. If the field or item combination does not exist in the pivot table, the function will return hash reference error. So in the pivot table, if we remove product field, then the GetPivotData function will return hash reference error. So in this way, you can use the GetPivotData function to retrieve any specific information from a pivot table. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.